Are you tired of spending hours trying to mix sound effects, music, and dialogue? What if I told you that there was a groundbreaking tool that can do this all in just minutes? Today I'm going to show you in DaVinci Resolve 20 the AI Audio Assist and how it can transform your audio game and save you tons of time. Let's jump into this demo. It's just important to note that every audio track to only contain one type of audio. There's basically 4 different types of audio elements. There's a dialogue, which is a fancy name for people talking. You've got music, sound effects, and ambience. Ambience is like background noise. You can have multiple clips in each audio track, but all of those clips need to be of the same type. Now, I want to start off by showing you this timeline that I created, and we're just going to be focusing on the audio itself. We are going to do one dialogue track and one sound effects track. Now, I have not mixed any of this together yet, and I'm going to be playing it back, so it's going to sound horrible. Here goes. After a playful swim in the chilly ocean, the penguins waddles into the rocky shore. Now that you have your voice recorded on your timeline, you can hear that it's not all that good sounding. So what you're going to want to do is edit it so that you can normalize the voices in the FX track. You can do this in the edit page the same way you can do it here in the cut page. Go to the timeline, and in the timeline go down to AI tools and go over to audio assistant, and when audio assistant selected, you click on that. You will select what it is that you're going to be delivering it to. In this case, we're going to be delivering, say, to YouTube, but you have all these other different options as well. So we're going to go to YouTube and we're going to do the auto mix. It's going to do the audio classification, dialogue mix, the music mix, and the FX. Then it finally does the mastering, and after all that is done, it should sound a little better. Sounds something like this. After a playful swim in the chilly ocean, the penguins waddles into the rocky shore. Tiny droplets sparkle off of his feathers as he gives himself a good cleaning. Now you can hear it is amazingly pretty good. There is some things that DaVinci will not filter out, and you have to do this by yourself. There is a section right here where you can hear the breathing, and we want to cut that out. You don't want to really cut it out, because at that point you're going to go back over to the edit page. If you were to cut this out, then you decrease the timing, or you're just going to have yourself a dead spot in the audio. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to hold down the Alt key and click a few times, one at the beginning, one in the middle, and one at the end. And then we're just going to drag that down to 0. That will eliminate that bad spot that you want to cut out of your audio. So now that when you play it back, it does sound good. It's the soft crash of the waves and the hush of the wind alone. You don't hear the breathing anymore, and it does sound a lot better. After you go through your video, you can tweak it to how you want it. You can make it louder, you can make it softer. Again, you can just go in and grab the areas that you want and increase the volume or decrease the sound effects. As it sits right now, it's pretty good just to go on out to YouTube, but if you want to spend more time and work and tweak everything, you can cut and trim and get everything aligned perfectly the way you want it for your video. There is also a few other things that can be done prior to doing all of this to make it a little bit easier for yourself as well as for DaVinci. You can go over to the Fairlight page, and in the Fairlight page, you can right click and change the track category. If it's verbal, words, reading, it's your dialogue. If it's the music or sound effects or ambience, you can select any of those that you want or other, and that will help and assist DaVinci to tell the AI what track it's going to actually be focused on. Another useful tip is while you are in the cut page and you're doing your audio voiceover or recording, actually, you can go here to the little script icon and open that up. You can load a script if you have a script that you're going to be reading from. In our case, we have one here. It's just a text document, and that will bring up the script on your page. You can adjust it to how you want. You can change the font size to make it bigger or smaller, depending on how you want it. We usually leave it at 20. You can also change the line spacing to make it spaced out more between the words, or you can take the side margin and you can take it all the way to the side, or you can move it away from the side. We usually keep it away from the side so that we can get a good read on it. And as you play your playhead, you can see that it is moving the text across the screen just like a teleprompter would do. Sure, when you're using DaVinci, this will not show up on your final results. This is only in the cut page. It does not go in and become part of your video. Hope you got some use out of this, and if you want, please subscribe and like, and come back again for more.